welcome to our channel. So today we are taking an important topic in higher classes, that is exponents and power. But we are out of those the easiest questions of exponents and powers. So we are going to advanced exponents and power in some syllabus. It's included as the chapter indices. Now, as you know, the rules and properties of exponents like a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power n plus n, like on. But let us take some questions like this. Suppose you are given x to the power m to the power n equal to x to the power m to the power n. Then you have to prove that m to the power n minus 1 into n to the power m minus 1 is equal to n to the power m. Now when you get this type of questions, so what is the condition given? X to the power m whole to the power n is equal to x to the power m to the power n. In general, we know these two are not same, but it's given here that these two are same. Then you have to prove this part. So when you have to do this type of proofs, so take the condition given. So the condition given here is x to the power m whole to the power n is equal to x to the power m to the power n. And one of the properties of exponent says if something is whole to the power this, then the powers are multiplied. So from this you will get x to the power m into n. So this will give you m n. Now both the side, the base are same. So that means you can cancel out the base. So this will give you mn equal to m to the power n. Now since this is m and here also you have one m, so bring this m to the other side. So you will have n on the left hand side and you will get m to the power n by m. Now if you look at this, these two are having the same base. Here the power is n and here power is nothing, means 1. And since it is divide, and by rules of exponents you will get m to the power n minus 1. So that means you have got n is equal to m to the power n minus 1. Now take the left hand side of the proof. The left hand side is m to the power n minus 1 into n to the power m minus 1. Now as per from the condition, what we have got? We have got n is equal to m to the power n minus 1. So in place of m to the power n minus 1, you can write n into n to the power m minus 1. Now it is multiplied and both the base are same. And here the power is nothing, means 1. So as per rule, same base, and if it is multiplied, then the powers are plus. So you get 1 plus m minus 1. So 1 will get cancelled. You will get n to the power m. So this is nothing but our right hand side. So this is the proof. So this type of question, you will get numerous questions available in various books and various sites. So follow those questions and try to solve. Now let us take one more type of example. So these are very easy questions, you can try yourselves. Now one more. Suppose you are given a to the power p is equal to b to the power q equal to c to the power r. Then prove that 1 by and also one more condition, b square is equal to ac. Then prove that 1 by p plus 1 by q plus 1 by r is equal to 3 by q. Now see, here there is an equality sign. These three things are equal. And one more condition is given as b square equal to ac. Now when you have to these equalities, these three things are equal. So if you get something like this, you can do what? Let a to the power p equal to b to the power q equal to c to the power r is equal to, you take one variable, say k, take this k. Now this means that a to the power p is also equal to k, b to the power q is also equal to k, and c to the power is also equal to k. So that means, no need to write in place, a to the power p equal to k. Now one more trick here is, like when you transfer in case of equation, if it is multiplied, if you transfer to the other side, it gets divided, and if it is divided, you transfer to the other side, it will get into. Now when you have to transfer power from one side to the other side, then the power will get reciprocal. So here the power is p, and if you have to transfer to the right hand side, this will get reciprocal. So reciprocal of p is 1 by p. So that means a will be equal to k to the power 1 by p. Similarly, b to the power q equal to k. So that means b is equal to k to the power, take the reciprocal of q, that is 1 by q. Similarly, c to the power r is also equal to k. So that means c is equal to k to the power reciprocal of r, that is 1 by r. Now come to the other condition. The other condition is b square equal to ac. Now what we'll do, we'll put the values in terms of k. b in terms of k is k to the power 1 by q. Then a in terms of k is k to the power 1 by p. Into c. c in terms of k is k to the power 1 by r. So this power and this power will get multiplied, so we will get 2 by q, and here since both the base are same, the power will be added, so 1 by p plus 1 by r. So since both the base are same, so you can cancel out the base, so you will get 2 by q is equal to 1 by p plus 1 by r, and since you have 3 by q, so add 1 by q to both the side. So that means what we get, 1 by p plus 1 by q plus 1 by r equal to, these are same denominators, so 2 plus 1 will give you 3 by q. So I think you have understood this one. So I'll give you one more example like this. Suppose 2 to the power a equal to 3 to the power b equal to 6 to the power c. Then prove that 1 by a plus 1 by b minus 1 by c equal to 0. So when you have to do this type of problem, so similarly like the previous example, what you can do, equal to k. Now you know what to do. This is also equal to k, this is also equal to k, and this is also equal to k. So you can express 2, 3 and 6 in terms of k. Similarly, 3 will be equal to k to the power 1 by b, and 6 will be equal to k to the power 1 by c. Now in our previous question we had another condition, that is b square equal to ac, but here we are given only one condition, no second condition is given. But what we can see here, if you can view the thing, the base 2, 3 and 6, so I think they are having a relation. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So the second condition will be nothing but from the given bases we are finding the relation between all the bases. So that means 2 into 3 we are getting equal to 6. So here in this type of question we did not need the second condition, because these are numbers and we can find a relation between these numbers. So 1 by b and 6 is equal to k to the power 1 by C. So both the base are same, so we will get 1 by A plus 1 by B equal to 1 by C. Bring 1 by C to this side, minus 1 by C, and right hand side will become 0. So these are very easy questions. So you can keep trying, look for some similar questions on different sites or maybe in different YouTube videos, and I will try to give you some more questions in the upcoming videos. So if you have liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.